learn how to make Denver remix. This is gonna be the simplest format so that you can also make your own remixes. So we're gonna start by setting our tempo to 126 because that's the original tempo which was in the song. Then we write the chords. The chords are very simple. They are in key of F, that is D minor, A minor, A sharp major and C major. In simplest terms, that is 6, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so we lay our piano with the strings. From Flex, I'm using 2T, a stock plugin in FL. So we add in a wrist bass. This wrist bass, I'll leave a link in description if you want it, so that you can also use it in your own remixes. So this is how they all sound together. So we send it to the playlist for easy arrangements. Then let's add in the drums, and we're gonna start with the snap. Then after that we add in a kick A kick is the last, then we add in some other effects to make the beat complete. I think this is the simplest beat you can make at home. Yes, so if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share so that I create for you more videos like this. Okay, thank you. So this is the final result after adding in the effects and the kick.